In this video, you will learn how to add an email link to your web pages. On this web page, you can see that I have a contact link at the top of the page and another one down towards the bottom. But right now, they're just linked to placeholders, and I'd like them to point to an email address so that people can mail the customer when they need to contact them. So let's switch to the HTML. As you can see in my navigation list, I have the contact link, and right now it's a placeholder. So let's change that placeholder to a mail to link. So the way you do that is you write mail to, and then the email address you want it to go to. So we'll save the document, reload the web page, and then click on the mail to link. And as you can see, it opens up an email message in my mail client. And then I can type whatever I want to type in the subject and in the body of my message and hit send, and it'll mail to the email address that I listed in the web page. But how about if I want it to go to multiple people, or to CC some people and maybe even blind carbon copy other people? That you can do with the mail to link too. So let's go back to the HTML. First, I'm going to add a second person. I'm going to add the pirate. And as you can see, all I did was separate it with a comma, so that'll add two email addresses to the to line. But I can actually also add CC lists with princess, and even BCC by adding an ampersand and then the word BCC. So if I save that document and reload the web page, this time when I click on the contact link, it adds all of those email addresses to my to line, my CC line, and my BCC line. Adding the subject and the body is in some ways just as easy as adding the CC and BCC lines. But because most subjects have spaces in them, it can be a little bit trickier. So we'll add the subject. And we want to say, the subject I want to use is help me revenge. Now, some mail to clients will work if you just write help me revenge, but it's dangerous to do because URLs are not supposed to have spaces in them. So a better way to do that is to add a %20 instead of the spaces. Then if you save the document and reload the web page, as you can see, your subject says help space me space revenge. That's because %20 is the URL encoding of a space. We can also do the same with the body. Go to the end of your mail to line and add an ampersand. Body equals I %20 need help. And save the document and reload the web page. Click the contact link, and I need help bang is in body of the text. And that's how you create a mail to link in your web pages.